Hello everyone and welcome from Extraordinary Adventures. My name is Laura and behind the camera is my lovely husband Scott.
Lovely.
And we are on the Azamara Onward. Whoop, I'm about to hit things because I'm not paying attention to where I'm going. And so we're doing a room tour here. We're actually doing like a room frenzy.
Yeah.
We're going room by room by room looking at all the different kinds there are. Hey everybody, this is Laura and Scott from Extraordinary Adventures Cruise and Travel, and we are interrupting the video you are currently watching to let you know that not only do we create videos like this, we are also cruise travel agents.
Yes, we are.
So if you are looking to book a cruise, we would love to help you. Reach us at any of the information below.
Call us, email us, check us out on the web, Instagram, you name it, we're there.
We'd love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure. So the first room that we toured was an interior accessible stateroom, which is 158 square feet. And I do want to preface this video by letting you know that we were touring with several other travel agents at the time. So you may see some people in this that you've never seen before. So the most important feature of this room is the accessibility nature. It does have a roll-in shower for guests who need assistance with a wheelchair. We are now going to be moving on to an Oceanview Stateroom. Those are 143 square feet. You can see it does have a porthole view right there of the window. And each of the rooms here have two beds which convert to a queen. They have a desk for writing. And the bathroom, I will admit, while it is very beautifully appointed, it is definitely on the smaller side. You have the toilet right there, and the shower has a curtain for you. I am generally preferential to doors. They trap the water in a little bit better, but they do have the curtain, which is okay. They do have some nice closet space, and I do like that the lights light up in the closets when you open them. I do like that they give you some robes to use. The next room is a veranda stateroom. It's 175 square feet, so it's definitely a little bit larger, and it has a nice balcony for you to sit out in. One interesting thing that I wanted to mention about all of these rooms is that they have a wide variety of electrical outlets in each of them. So they have American outlets and they have European outlets. So I would definitely bring different plugs if I were you. They do also have safes in every room. And the bathroom on this stateroom is exactly the same as the Oceanview, so we didn't show it here. The next room we have is a Club Continent suite. This is 266 square feet. It is definitely larger and does have a bathtub in it. You can see it has a nice marble walls, much more elevated decoration here. We have electrical outlets on either side of the bed. There's also USB, so you can plug in and charge your phones over there. It comes with a complimentary minibar as well, which is absolutely really a nice feature there, and some much more closet space as well. This would be good if you're going on a longer voyage and you need some more room. But one of the nicer parts of this room is definitely the larger balcony. It's very nicely pointed. I like it a lot. This next room is a Club Spa Suite. This room is 414 square feet. It is a large room for a cruise ship. This would be excellent for cruises that have a really nice long itinerary. It has a beautiful balcony out there with floor to ceiling windows, so you can just sit out and enjoy. What is most interesting about this room is that it is a spa room. So it has a spacious glass enclosed spa soaking tub and a separate rain shower. So you can actually sit in your tub and soak and look out as the ocean is passing you by. Absolutely beautiful. Also included in this are, with this room, are additional amenities such as complimentary nights in private places, and an experience for two, and a spa credit to be used for spa treatments of your choice. You also saw that this room has double vanities, double sinks. So that's a really nice, and it's just a really nice room. The next room we are looking at is the Ocean Suite. It is 478 square feet, and we are starting in the bathroom. You'll see here that we have a double vanity, so that is really nice. But what I like most about this room is that the bedroom is separate from the living area. So you have a lot of space to sit and relax. This is a very port-intensive cruise line. So you do want a nice space to relax when you've come back from your excursions every single day. And I think this room is absolutely phenomenal. You also have a very large balcony you can see there. And then there's a second balcony on this side as well. Well, folks, this is the last room of our frenzied room tour. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe with the notification bells on, and please reach out to us if you have any questions. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.